Affiliate programs, what they are, and how to make money. Have you ever wondered what is affiliate marketing? Do you often wonder how to earn money from affiliate programs? Have you found yourself frequently thinking about getting rich through affiliate marketing? If yes, then you've landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Are you looking for a side hustle, some passive income to get started as a freelancer, or perhaps to even start your own business entirely from home? Whatever your needs, we provide the best guides, hints, tips, and informative content for your money-making journey. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about how to manage your affiliate programs and make money out of them. Now let's get into it. Affiliate programs are literally taking the internet by storm. Affiliate programs are so popular that it is likely that you have heard of them before, even if you aren't a website owner. While many individuals have heard of affiliate programs, there are very few who actually know what they are. If you are interested in capitalizing on this amazing business opportunity, you are encouraged to familiarize yourself with affiliate programs and what they can do for you. Doing so may very well be the best decision that you could make. What are affiliate programs? Affiliate programs are business programs, also sometimes referred to as business opportunities, which are ideal for webmasters. All webmasters can benefit from the use of an affiliate program, but those looking to make money can benefit the most. This is because, in a way, you will be selling merchandise for another company. This allows you to make money without having to sell your own products. How does it work? A large number of companies participate in affiliate programs, namely retailers. Once you make the decision to join an affiliate program, you will have to file an affiliate partner request form. This form is usually small, but it is almost always required. Most of the retailers in charge of running affiliate programs are well known, therefore, they want to protect their image. This means that before officially joining an affiliate program, your website has to be reviewed. If your website is approved, which most legitimate ones are, the next step will all depend on the company with which you are working. Links or banners. Most of the retailers or affiliate advertisers will have customized links or banners. These banners will need to be placed on your website. These advertisements will vary from company to company. However, most advertisements showcase the merchandiser's special sales. If one of your website visitors is interested in learning more, they will click on your link or banner. In doing so, your website will be flagged. This flagging is often done to ensure that you will receive the proper credit for bringing in new customers. If an internet user who clicked one of your affiliate links or banners makes the decision to purchase anything, you will receive credit for that purchase. How much money can be made? The amount of money that you can make from an affiliate program will all depend on which type of program you are participating in. As previously mentioned, a large number of businesses, including retail stores, operate their own affiliate program. Each business is able to decide the amount of money that you will make from each sale. That money is often a percentage amount. Most affiliate programs begin at around 5% of the sale, but some can go as high as 10 or 15. Joining a right affiliate program. If you are able to join more than one affiliate program, you are advised to do so. Many webmasters have found success by doing this. Imagine, if you could make money off of one affiliate program, how much money do you think you could make off of 5 or 10 of them? When joining a number of different affiliate programs, it is advised that you carefully track all of your records and earnings. This is easy to do with 1 or 2 programs, but with more, you may want to consider purchasing affiliate tracking software. Those software programs are an easy way to keep track of your earnings. To make the most out of affiliate programs, you are advised to take the time to find the right one. Many webmasters sign up for the first affiliate program they come across. While all affiliate programs may be able to generate money, some will perform better than others. By finding these programs, you should be able to make a substantial amount of money with affiliate programs. Make fast money with affiliate marketing. This might be the advertisement you see over and over again about affiliate marketing. Being only human enough, you get lured into these promises and anticipate wide-eyed for the money to come in instantly. This is the most common mistake that people make once they get into affiliate marketing. Many newbies have fallen victim to those who are promoting the business successfully enough. But then, they get to realize later on that they are not really making the kind of money being promised. And they thought that affiliate marketing was indeed a simple business. Many of you may have heard so many wonderful things about affiliate programs. You may have also heard of testimonials of people who are earning more money by endorsing the products or services of other people. And why not? The commissions you will be getting are more than great. All you have to do is get the word out to the right people, and soon they will be making their way to your affiliate sites. It all seems very easy. Not really. Getting into many and various affiliate programs. Many newbies think that affiliate marketing is a numbers game. So, to be successful, they would need big numbers. These marketers would try and get into every affiliate marketing program in the hope that the more program, the more the profits. Getting into more affiliate marketing programs does not work. Instead of concentrating on one and giving it your best shot, you are torn between which ones to put into first place and which ones should be last. In the end, your affiliate marketing will not work the way you expect it to. Things to remember. One thing that beginner affiliate marketers forget is to focus on one product or service first, before they could go on getting more than they could handle. As with other types of business, affiliate marketing is a continuous learning process that has to be researched and learned to be able to have an initial idea of what it is you are marketing about. First, you have to know more about the product or service being offered. It would be best if you can buy or use that same product, so you can really tell something about it to your potential customers. The second is to know how best to market them. Is your strategy working, or does it seem to end with you getting nothing and trying all over again? This is just one of the important questions you should ask yourself once you are into this kind of business. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about affiliate programs, what they are and how to make money. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.